Today I will present POSCO's innovative study on high bed height operation with a small-sized sintering machine. This research focuses on improving sinter quality and productivity by increasing the bed height without costly modifications to existing equipment. Increasing center bed height improves center size and strength, measured by shatter-index. However, a small-size centering machine at POSCO faces a limitation where the sidewall height is only 600 mm, while the bed height can exceed this. This mismatch causes raw material spillage and lowers center quality. The challenge was to find a cost effective solution without replacing all the side walls. POSCO developed a sidewall base, a 160 mm extension welded to the existing 600 mm sidewalls, increasing the total height to 760 mm. This solution cost only 20% of the cost of fully replacing the side wall. It is easy to install, taking about 15 minutes per unit and preserve the structural integrity and sealing required to prevent air leakages and maintain sinter quality. Before installing the sidewall base, raw material charging resulted in slopes at the side parts to avoid spillage, creating an uneven bed height and suction gas volume across the pallet. After installing the sidewall base, the bed height became uniform. Slopes were eliminated and suction gas volume differences were reduced from 47% to below 10%. This balancing improves sintering uniformity and stability. There is typically an inverse relationship between productivity and shatter index. At POSCO, before installing the sidewall base, the shatter index was 88.5 at a productivity of 36 tons per day per square meter. After the modification, the shatter index increased to 88.9 at the same productivity level, demonstrating improved sinter strength without sacrificing the productivity. The sidewall base retrofit provides a cost-effective alternative to full sidewall replacement, only about 20% of the cost. It reduces raw material spillage and air leakages, saving operating cost while enhancing center quality. These improvements contribute to better blast furnace performance, illustrating POSCO's leadership in practical sintering innovation. In summary, POSCO successfully developed the sidewall base to allow higher bed heights in small sintering machines, which improved sinter bed permeability and shatter index. This retrofit is fast, cost effective, and yield better sinter quality and operational stability. Future efforts will focus and optimizing this approach for even higher sinter productivity and quality. So we can say the high bed height operation possible with innovative sidewall base, improved sinter bed permeability and sinter strength is achieved, operational efficiency and cost saving realized, and in last we can say POSCO plans further optimization for even higher productivity.